Hi everyone, I'm Josh with the Albuquerque Public Library, and this is Quick Science You Can Do at Home. Today's activity, flying orbs. Perfect. So here's what you need to get started. First thing we need is a pie tin or some type of aluminum foil. I prefer pie tins. Some tape and scissors, a styrofoam cup, and you can go down to the grocery store and get a really thin, light plastic bag. I prefer to use aluminum mylar. Now, aluminum mylar can be found in your first aid kits as space blankets, or those shiny metallic balloons are also made of the same material. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take our pie tin and our styrofoam cup, and we're gonna place it on the inside in the middle as best we can. And we're gonna tape that down. You only need about 3 pieces of tape. It looks a little something like this. Just enough adhesive to hold it to the plate itself. Like that. The next thing we're gonna need is styrofoam. So once you have your styrofoam and your wool, and if you don't have raw sheets of wool, you can use an old glove, scarves work really well, or a fuzzy jacket, anything like that will work. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna place a negative charge into our styrofoam by rubbing on it gently back and forth. Now, you'll know when you have a good, strong negative charge into your styrofoam when you can feel a prickling sensation on your hairs or your skin. That's called formication, or the feeling of ants crawling across your skin. So what you wanna do is you wanna rub your wool until you can feel that. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your pie tin by our insulator, which is our styrofoam cup that we placed on top, and place this on top of the styrofoam base. Now here's the fun part. You ever gone down a plastic slide wearing a big winter jacket and you hear pops all the way down? That's static electricity. I have to shock myself for this to work. So what we do is we take our finger and we touch the pie tin and you'll hear a pop. Just like that. If you don't get a pop, you need to recharge your styrofoam. Be careful when you pick this up that you only hold it by the handle and that the plastic pie tin doesn't touch anything, otherwise we'll lose our charge. So what actually happened was this was negatively charged, and when I shocked myself, I absorbed that negative charge into my body, leaving our pie tin positively charged. So then you grab your aluminum mylar. In this case, I have some Christmas tree tinsel that I tied together into an orb. And when I drop it onto our pie tin, it's gonna steal some of that positive charge and they'll repel. Just like that. So there you go. There's your quick science of the day. I'm Josh. We'll see you in the next video.